Good morning, family. And I mean family. Not just staff, not just support personnel, family. Because anybody can clock in, but it takes family to carry a building. I stand here today as a 7th grade social studies teacher, a black man who teaches about empires, revolutions, movements, systems, and survival. And I need to tell the truth for a minute. Every great civilization had infrastructure. Rome had roads. Mali had trade routes. China had canals. And schools. Schools got y'all. And when I say educators, I'm not just talking about the people standing in front of the class with lesson plans, dry erase markers, and half-working computers. I'm talking about the real ones who keep the whole building breathing. The ones who show up early. The ones who stay late. The ones who fix what breaks, calms what's chaotic, feed what's hungry, translate what's misunderstood, protect what's precious, and love children through moments most people never even see. So today, this is a roll call for the real ones, part 2. And I want to start before the sun even fully clock in. Bus drivers, bus assistants, at 6:15 in the morning, before the coffee hits the lounge, before the lights are all the way on, before most of us have even found our teacher voice. Y'all already moving. And I know that work personally. Before I was Mr. Charles the teacher, I was Mr. Charles the bus driver. I was the face of the district to a lot of families before they ever stepped foot in the school. To the students, I was the first smile they saw in the morning and the last smile they saw before they got home. Rain, sleet, snow, attitude, traffic, construction, late parents, early kids, and somebody always asking, can I sit in the bus until it's time to go? Still, we pulled up. And let me tell you, that bus had a curriculum. Every year, I met students who had never ridden a bus before. So I had to teach them how to ride safely, how to sit down, how to cross the street, how to handle conflict, how to keep their hands to themselves, how to understand that this bus is not just transportation. This is community on wheels. I had impromptu parent conferences right there at the bus stop. No office, no appointment, no security, just me, a parent, a concern, and the morning air. And sometimes how a child's morning goes on that bus sets the tone for the whole school day. And how their afternoon goes on that bus set the tone for the whole evening at home. That's not just driving. That is safety. That is trust. That is relationship. That is nation building on wheels. And for some children, I was the first black man they ever shared regular, intimate space with. That matters. Because every good morning, every sit down, homie, every you good, every I'll see you tomorrow was teaching them something about presence, care, and community. So to every bus driver and bus assistant, I see you. I know that work, and I honor it. Now, when those students step off that bus and walk into the building, somebody has to help them find their footing. Paraprofessionals, teacher aides, instructional assistants. Y'all are the quiet architects of progress. You sit beside students when frustration shows up. You teach the skill that didn't land the first time. You catch the look on a child's face before they even say, "I don't get it." And for bilingual instructional assistants, let me be clear. You don't just translate words. You translate belonging. When a student hears their home language in this building, they hear something deeper than instruction. They hear, "You matter here." They hear, "We see you." They hear, "You don't have to disappear to be successful." That right there is life-changing work. And after the school day has already taken everything out of everybody, here comes the after-school believers, tutors. When the bell rings and the energy drops, you still there saying, "Try one more time. Read it again. Work the problem again. You got this. You can do hard things." In social studies, we teach that revolutions begin with belief. And every time you help a child raise a reading level, master a math skill, finish an assignment, or feel smart again, you are starting a revolution. A quiet one, but a powerful one. Now let's take it all the way back to where the foundation begins. Preschool teachers. Let's not play with the work. You are not babysitters. You are brain builders. You are patient with the lesson plan. You teach letters, sounds, sharing, waiting, listening, kindness, emotional regulation, and how to sit in a circle without losing your whole mind. And anybody who has ever worked with little kids knows that last one deserves hazard pay. Y'all are not just preschool. You are the foundation before the foundation. By the time these children get to the rest of us, your fingerprints are already on their confidence. That is sacred work. And speaking of sacred work, let's talk about access. Educational interpreters. You are the voice within the voice. You make sure families are not locked out of their own child's education because of language. You make sure students are not left behind because the system was moving too fast to include them. You do more than translate words. You translate opportunity. You translate dignity. You translate trust. That is equity in motion. And if we talking about motion, let's walk right into the cafeteria. Lunchroom monitors. Listen, do not underestimate cafeteria diplomacy, because managing 200 hungry students at one time is not supervision. That is international peacekeeping. You see the conflict before it pops off. You redirect the energy before it turns into a referral. You keep the line moving, the noise manageable, the tables together, and somehow still remember who tried to sneak an extra juice. In history, civilizations collapse when food systems fail. Y'all keep ours running every day. And then there are the people we call when the whole modern world falls apart. Technology support. Let's be honest. When the Wi-Fi goes down, the lesson plan becomes a prayer request. When the projector won't connect, panic enters the room. When the printer jams, teachers start acting like civilization has ended. And who do we call? You. You are the heroes of passwords, projectors, printers, Chromebooks, cables, frozen screens, updates, and I swear it was working 5 minutes ago. Nobody claps when the tech works, but everybody calls when it doesn't. So let me say it now. Your consistency keeps instruction alive. And while technology keeps lessons moving, safety keeps the whole building standing. Campus safety officers, you are presence. You are calm. You are reassurance. Safety is not just doors, radios, hallways, and procedures. Safety is emotional. It is students knowing somebody's watching out for me. It is family knowing my child is protected. It is a staff member knowing we are not alone in this. That kind of presence matters. And before any of that happens, before the buses pull in, before the bells ring, before the Chromebook open, before the first lesson starts, the building itself has already spoken. Groundskeepers, custodial teams, maintenance crews, you make the environment talk. When the grass is cut, the sidewalks are safe, the floors are clean, the bathrooms are ready, the trash is gone, and the building looks cared for, the message is clear. This place matters. These children matter. This community matters. Students may not always say it, but they feel it. Dignity changes behavior. A cared for space teachers before we ever open our mouths. Now, let me bring this home. As a social studies teacher, I know textbooks love to talk about presidents, generals, kings, queens, and CEOs. But real history is built by everyday people who show up consistently. The folks who may never get a statue, may never get a chapter, may never get their name on the front page. But without them, nothing moves. That's you. Our students depend on you. Our families depend on you. Our teachers depend on you. This whole community depends on you. Single parents depend on you. Grandparents raising grandchildren depend on you. Working class families depend on you. Immigrant families depend on you. Students with IEPs and 504s depend on you. Students learning English depend on you. Students smiling on the outside while fighting something heavy on the inside depend on you. And let me say something that does not get said enough. You are educators too. Not extra, not just support, not background noise. Educators. Because education is not just what happens at a desk. Education is transportation. Education is safety. Education is food. Education is translation. Education is clean hallways. Education is working technology. Education is patience. Education is presence. Education is care. And you provide all of that. So on the days when nobody claps, on the days when the budget feels tight, on the days when the behavior feels heavy, on the days when the appreciation feels thin, on the days when you wonder if anybody really sees what you do, remember this. You are the backbone of this building. You are the steady seat in the background. You are the reason teachers can teach. And you are the reason students can learn. Every school has people whose names may never end up on a plaque, but without them, nothing works. In this video, I shine a light on the bus drivers, paraprofessionals, instructional assistants, tutors, preschool teachers, interpreters, lunchroom monitors, technology teams, campus security officers, custodians, maintenance crew, and every educator who keeps a school community moving. This isn't just a speech. It's a reminder that education is bigger than the classroom. It's about service, relationship, trust, safety, and showing up for children every single day. Comment below. Who is an unsung hero in your building that deserves recognition? Tag their role and give them their flowers. As always, don't forget to like if this video resonated with you. Turn on your notifications so that you don't miss future videos, and subscribe for real talk. Also, check out the Ben Marketplace for teacher, lifestyle, streetwear designed for educators who keep it real. Visit the Ben blog for professional development resources, classroom management strategies, family communication tools, and practical support for new and veteran teachers. Because effective educators don't have to lose themselves to improve their craft. Peace.